Yeah, I was in a unique position, kind of rolling off a deployment. I'm in the Navy, and so I kind of linked up with Mike remotely. Mike he handled everything, made the process extremely easy. So by the time I got out here, got my keys and moved in the next day, here I am 2 years later having a beer and margarita with Mike, and it's because he's not only my real estate agent, but a friend now. So.
Kenzie is very bubbly, she's happy, very can-do attitude, nothing is beneath her. She's willing to get in there and do the dirty work, and I really appreciate that about somebody. She's very driven. Available anytime. I could text her any time of the day, weekend, which probably shouldn't, but she was always responsive, answered any questions I had, and was happy to do it.
Kaylin just understood what I was looking for in a home, not necessarily pushing me towards one area or another. Obviously, I know the area, so she was great in just kind of focusing in on what I was looking for within the house. I have a very busy schedule, so it was great that she was available via text when I needed her, via email, and then even calls throughout the day, here or there where I have the time. So just very available whenever I needed her.
We were down for a month and had a pretty tight packed schedule, so he was available day in and day out. And as we kept shifting our focus from one property to the next, we'd go home and re-prepare another set of listings for us to look at with a full portfolio behind it. So I would say I felt like he was working for us and us only.
Oh, very high quality individual, very honest, great sense of humor. Very relatable. We're friends with he and Natalie today, and just so happy we met him on so many levels.